Word problems. For many students, they're the hardest part of math. But with the right approach, solving them can actually be simple and even fun. Let's break down exactly how to solve word problems easily, step by step. Step 1. Read carefully. Step 2. Identify what's being asked. Look for clue words like total, difference, or left. Step 3. Pick out important information. Focus on the numbers that matter. Step 4. Choose the right operation. Every problem has keywords that reveal which operation to use. Write the equation, solve it, and check. Does your answer make sense? Addition finds totals. Subtraction finds what's left. Multiplication deals with groups. Division shares equally. Pro tips: underline key numbers, draw diagrams, and always estimate first. Remember, word problems are about the story first. Once you understand the story, the math becomes easy. Like, share, and subscribe for more math tips. Produced by Zeekman.